Yeah, so today is a shit day. A royal shit day. Um, I'm in Tambacounda, and I had to leave my friends at the border. They're heading towards Bamako, and I'm now in Tambacounda. Yes, I needed a visa to cross the border, but these policemen are fucking crooks. So they took my papers. They took everybody else's papers, and they wanted to confiscate my vehicle and stuff. So imagine I had to pay them to get back my paper. So I paid them to get back my paper, my laissez-passer, because they wanted money. This border is a crooked border. Kidira. Yeah, so we had to pay back to get our papers. They had to pay for some other fake paper. So that was 20,000. That was 20,000 safer. Then they had to pay again to cross the border or just over the river to go to Mali. Then to put to mess things, to make things even worse. Now I imagine the border gave me the paper laissez-passer. They charged me 10,000 to get back my laissez-passer. Now they're telling me they want to escort me. I pay back for my laissez-passer, so I'm free to roam for 10 days in Senegal. But now because they want a ride, I have 3 border policemen in my car now because they want a ride. So right now, as soon as my people, I know that they're moving, I'm kicking them the hell out of my van. I only did a sacrifice so that they can cross. Because in Kidira, the police run the town. And there's nothing that I can do but to swallow this pill. I drove 7 hours on a shit road coming out of there. This pissed me off, man.
Amen.
This really pissed me off.
Amen.
Yeah.
What's up?
All right.
See.
I'm working.
Huh?
I'm working.
Okay.
Yeah.
You drink boisson?
No,
Ananas.
I'm good. I don't want anything.
No, my brother.
No, I don't want anything. I just want to get to Gambia. I don't want anything.
You don't give anything?
No, I'm finished with Senegal. I just want to get to Gambia.
Yeah.
I just want to go. I just want to get out.
Okay.
You know? I'm at work.
Can you work home?
Yes, so yeah, they're trying to be a bit nice to me right now. But they're using me. But I can't do anything until my people are on the bus. When my people are on the bus, yeah, then I can do something. They want to use whatever power they have because they work at the border. I'm telling other officers they're escorting me when I haven't done anything wrong. I've had very, very, very good time here in Senegal. But these police from Kidira piss me off. Kidira. Piss me off. It's like the wild, wild west. They do what they want when they want. If I go to the border and I haven't got my visa, okay, tell me, no problem, go back. I'm legally in their country. This is Africa's problem. Everybody, they're looking at quick money. Then to put it worse, my friends had to stay in a hotel. They now call a person and say, oh, give this person a guest house or whatever. That place is 5,000 because nobody's paying 20,000. So the room is 5,000 safer. We get there, they're telling us 20,000 safer per room. And they're gonna split one of these guys, one guy, he split it with the owner of the house, so they get 10-10. They make their money there. Every man, it's the worst. It's the worst. This is the most pissed off I am. Last night I was like, I want to sleep. They jump in the van, sit down. All three of them. They would get someone to drive my van. I say, ain't nobody driving my van. But anyway, I had 1.5 hours sleep. And I drove. And I'm telling you, driving coming down, I fell asleep quite a few times. My eyes went grey. But because the roads are so shit, why nothing bad happened? The roads are shit. If the roads were good, I probably would have been dead. Because I got 1.5 hours sleep in 36 or 37 hours. No, because I left 1:30. The bastard woke me up at 11:30. I slept at 10 o'clock, so I got 1.5 hours sleep. Could not go back to sleep. Then they came and sat in the van. So yeah, 1.5 hours sleep. Now it's 10:30 in the morning. Yeah, my body is gone. They want to give me food and drink. I don't want shit. Kiss my ass. So I drove down here because I'm still waiting for my people to tell me that their bus has moved from Mali. And then they have to go. I don't care where, they have to go. They have to go. Yeah. Tell them if they escort me to the next Gambian border. Because they're no good. And then to make it worse, I lost so much footage. I don't know where my card is now. I lost so much footage. Hopefully it's in the van somewhere. But I lost my SD cards. So there's a lot of stuff I filmed that I do not know where they are now. But yes, that's my African story. This has been a shit day. Terrible day. And you know, the same money that they took from us, my man went and bought 50 kilo bag of rice to just pump it in my face like, yes, I spent your money. You don't know how pissed I am, man. I'm pissed. They're not good people. Look here, bag of sugar with my money. And they threw everything on the floor. Everything on the floor. Everything on the floor. Everything on the floor. I'm telling you, man. It's one of my worst days ever in Africa. I'm pissed. I don't like people force me when I haven't done anything wrong. But they're using their power. And not good people. And you know the crazy thing? It's black people like us, you know. When the soldiers robbed me in that other country, that was okay. Because it's not a black majority country. So I understand that. And that's the way they are out there. But your own brother here, same color, and they like to talk about bro. When the same color rob you, that piss you off, you know? It piss you off. It piss you off. Well, I can't clean red dress. Hopefully I can find my SD cards. If I can't, I just have to live with it. Malaikum salam. You know? I'm pissed off, waiting for the crooks now. Bro. I have to drive. No, let me tell you. Yes, I'm ranting. From up there to down here, from Kidira to Tabakunda is 177 kilometers. Then from here to where he wants to go is an extra. Listen to this. Where they want to go is an extra. They want to go Kasamash. And from here to Kasamash, from Tabakunda, look on your map, from Tabakunda, Senegal, to Kasamash. Look on your map and see the madness I have to go through. I am at Tambacounda, Tabakunda, Tambacounda, Tabakunda. And they want to go to Kasamash. That's over 300 more kilometers that they want me to give them a free ride from there to there with my sugar. But corruption on a different level. Yeah. But as soon as they tell me, yeah man, enough is enough. I'm pissed. Yeah, I'm pissed. The country is nice, the people are nice, but I just met the worst set of corrupt police. Smiling with me, bro. Which one of you would drive somebody 500 kilometers for free after they've robbed you? Yes. Okay, so enough with my rant. I'll wait for these hoodlums to come. And then when my friends give me the okay, yeah, they have to go. I don't like it. Don't like it. Let me wait for these hoodlums.